Thank you. I'm interested in enabling people with technology. Technology like what we find in the national labs user facilities. In particular, I'm extremely interested in this new supercomputer that we're building at Argonne right now called Aurora. When Aurora is complete, it will be capable of more than exaflop of performance. What does that mean? That's a billion math problems per second. All right, so maybe something even closer to home. It's as if everybody on the planet was doing math 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for a little over a year. That's what Aurora will be capable of doing in 1 second. And so that's an enabler. Aurora will tackle problems. Oops. Jimmy. Aurora will be able to tackle problems that we traditionally see in modeling and simulation on supercomputers. Things like cosmology, evolution of the universe, climate studies, molecular modeling. But Aurora has been purposely designed to also support data science. Data science like what's going to happen at the Advanced Photon Source, which is currently undergoing an upgrade, and when done will be one of the brightest X-ray sources in the world. It will generate so much data that the scientists will need systems like Aurora to extract information from it. But maybe closer to home, Crocus, which is a joint project between UIC and Argonne, is deploying sensor networks across the city of Chicago. And it's collecting data constantly. And then that data is fed back into models to better understand our urban environment. So systems like this are things that Aurora is going to tackle. But there's this other thing, AI. I'm sure somebody's heard of it in the room. Aurora has been purposely designed to support AI, large language models. And instead of aiming these at the social aspects of the world, aiming it at science. And with that, we will be able to enable precision medicine, better cancer treatments, and the like. So maybe getting closer to my research and what I'm interested in as a computer scientist, it's one, building systems like that, but with something the scale of Aurora, it's going to consume a tremendous amount of power. And so I'm very interested in how much does a line of code consume in terms of power? And can we change that line of code such that we can achieve the same thing, but do it more efficiently? As a director of a facility, I'm interested in that resource being utilized at its utmost by everybody as possible. So how do you schedule it better? And finally, if I really truly want to enable people, I don't want the traditional users. I want a new community of users. And how do we make a system like Aurora, 60,000 GPUs, 20,000 CPUs, 10,000 nodes that you have to coordinate together, how do you make that usable by our wider audience? Thank you.